Today we have an exciting review of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. This iconic SUV has undergone some impressive upgrades, and we can't wait to take you through its stunning design, powerful engine, and luxurious interior. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Starting at the front, the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado boasts a bold and aggressive look. The large muscular grille dominates the front fascia, featuring a distinctive honeycomb pattern and the iconic Toyota emblem proudly displayed in the center. The sleek LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights add a modern touch, providing excellent visibility and a striking appearance. The sculpted hood and sharp lines further enhance the SUV's rugged and powerful stance. Moving to the side, the Prado continues to impress with its robust and athletic profile. The pronounced wheel arches house 20-inch alloy wheels with a striking black and red finish, giving the SUV a sporty and dynamic look. The chrome accents along the windows and side mirrors add a touch of elegance, while the roof rails and side steps enhance its practicality for off-road adventures. The overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making the Prado stand out on any terrain. At the rear, the 2025 Prado features a sleek and modern design. The LED taillights are seamlessly integrated into the tailgate, offering a cohesive look that complements the front end. The rear bumper is sculpted to perfection, with chrome accents and dual exhaust outlets that add a hint of sportiness. The subtle roof spoiler and the Toyota badge complete the look, giving the Prado a refined yet rugged appearance from every angle. Step inside the 2025 Land Cruiser Prado, and you're greeted with a luxurious and spacious cabin. The interior is a perfect blend of comfort and functionality, featuring premium materials and advanced technology. The leather-wrapped seats offer excellent support and can be heated or cooled for maximum comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, providing seamless connectivity. Under the hood, the 2025 Prado is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 280 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and exhilarating driving experience. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and powerful performance, the new Prado is a perfect blend of style and capability. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.